But let me tell you that during your grandfather's time, that namkeen wala, he was using 4 plus oil and he will not use it more than few times. Whereas now you will be surprised to know that he never empties that oil. In fact, all this samosa, kachori, vada pavs which we have, they never empty that oil. They keep on adding oil on top of it. Many of you may not know this, that one of the biggest snack maker in India, I'm not going to take the name. They use that oil for 5, 6 times or 10 times, and then they auction that oil. And you will be surprised to know that there are many people who are actually ready to buy. In fact, go to a site called India Mart and then you will just type out used oil, and then you will see there are quoting prices for tons, for crates and crates of used oil. What happens is these small snack makers, they buy those oils and they will use it. And without realizing, we keep taking this food. We think it is safe. No, my grandfather used to have samosa kachori. I should also have. No, my dear friends, what they used to have is different and what we have is different. You are just damaging your health. Here are some more statistics now. 50% of all the lean people are actually unhealthy. In India, we are called as trophy. So we are all lean, but we are unhealthy. Obesity in children is a very big epidemic in India. I should change this to epidemic. It is not epidemic, it is actually pandemic across the world. It's a big issue. Almost all adults have central obesity. Why almost all? I will strike off it almost. All adults have, Indian adults at least, they have central obesity. Fatty liver is a big epidemic again in India. So typically, this is how we see. See some of these, some of these on, let us say this guy or this guy may appear very lean, but see the central obesity. Because we are all called as trophy, thin outside and fat inside. See, unlike the Caucasians or Westerners, they deposit a lot of fat beneath the skin in the adipocytes, whereas our fat storage capacity beneath the skin is very less. We tend to store it in our organs, inside liver, and as well as all it is deposited on the organs. And this is called as visceral fat, and which is much more dangerous. It is very well documented that visceral fat is much more dangerous. So all these individuals, they are all already suffering from what is called as insulin resistance. Now you will be curious to know, how do I start LCHF ketogenic diet? Now first of all, let me tell you, please consult a good low carb nutritionist. Because if you start doing it on your own, reading some Google, there's a likelihood that you will not be able to adjust macros properly, and you will land up putting yourself into trouble. You have to understand the concept properly. So go for a nutritionist who is willing to explain the concept and have multiple counseling sessions with you. Please avoid someone who will just give diet paper on a piece, diet plan on a piece of paper. There are a lot of nutrition who will say 500 rupees per diet chart. I have seen even for 200 rupees. But what they will do, they will just give you something without explaining anything. And I suggest that everyone should get a baseline blood test and as well as the other test done, so that we know what are the conditions you're already suffering. For all comorbid conditions, like anyone having, let us say, diabetes or any other issue, they should always be in touch with a medical practitioner who is willing to support a low carb diet. It is very essential, my dear friends, and I suggest that just don't go to any nutritionist and start low carb ketogenic. Even some of them may not realize how to manage this medicines, so you'll have to actually get in touch. And please don't do it without any knowledge. You can harm yourself, and you will then later blame that I've been harmed by LCHF ketogenic diet. And for some people, let me tell you a very strange thing. Sometimes I hear that people say that I've done a ketogenic diet, and what they take, morning they will take vegetable, afternoon again vegetable and one roti, night some milk, and then they will sleep, and then they say they are doing ketogenic diet. Surprise! So it is actually a low carb, low fat, and low protein diet. It's a low calorie diet, and in long term, they will actually start losing their basal metabolic rate, and they are going to lose their lean body mass. They will lose weight, yes, but are they going to lose fat? No, they will actually lose their lean body mass. So this small algorithm which I given, low carb nutrition works. If you combine IF, intermittent fasting, yes, works very well. If you combine exercise, it works very well. Yes, we also require a good sleep. So if you have all these factors, it will work very well. Now, some of the contraindication would be, most of us need not fear. It is identified mostly at the childhood level, and these are all tests which is used if patients are put for low carb ketogenic diet for epilepsy and other neurological conditions like carnitine deficiency. For adults, yes, if there's a liver failure or other serious issue, please don't follow what our doctor says. So I'll just show a few weight loss cases from real life. So this is me. So I lost 10 kgs when I started this 4.5 years back. My intention was not to lose weight, mind you. It was to control diabetes. So I started with 7.5 7.2 HbA1c, landed at 4.7 now. I'm between 4.7, 4.9 continuously for the last many years. So this is again one of my friend who has done this very well. He has now currently lost 20 kgs. He still has a target of losing 5 more kgs. You will actually see it is not only weight loss, also age reversal. Okay, the yellow shirt is the earlier, and the white t-shirt and shorts is actually the latest. You will see actually he is reversing his age, not only losing weight. Again, one of my friend who has lost around 10 kg, reversed his pre-diabetes. This is my cousin who has lost around 20 kgs. He managed to knock off 80 units of insulin and knock off all tablets. He's just on 2 tablets a day. So this is one more super heavy cases. He has lost around 30 kgs by doing low carb ketogenic diet. He has combined this with exercise, of course. So you will see that he has developed a slightly better muscular tone. So this is one more case, reversing diabetes and lost 17 kgs. One more case, around 30 kgs, reversal of diabetes. You'll see a lot of cases with comorbid condition here. This person, he was otherwise healthy with no comorbid conditions. We have lost 17 kgs, very happy about it. This again, my friend, without any comorbid condition, he has lost 15 kgs. One more massive case, without comorbid condition, lost 25 kgs. So this is one more case where this lady, I have not put the photograph because she has not given permission. She has lost 40 kgs overall, and she was an uncontrolled diabetic with HbA1c of 10, which is now 5.8. So friend, these are a few cases, and it appears that most of them, yes, they do have comorbid condition. There are a lot of other females without comorbid condition, and they have lost 10, 20, 30 kgs. However, on the request, we are not put those cases here. However, you can head to our site realife.in and you'll be able to see a lot of cases. So, friend, this is one book, very good book, which I actually found. LCHF Keto Cookbook. It is by one of my friends, Vijay Vishwanathan and Sindhu Vijay. Very simple. There are a lot of recipes which I mentioned and a very simple explanation of this. So I highly suggest that it's available in Amazon, either hard copy or even the soft copies available through Kindle. So now the take-home message, friends, it is for all. Please, please, please stop all refined processed stuff, including all bakery items, including all those healthy biscuits, including all those healthy cereals, breakfast cereals. Once upon a time, breakfast cereals and skimmed milk were used to fatten pigs. Replace all the refined vegetable oil with good fat immediately, if possible tomorrow. Avoid all sugary beverages, including fruit juice. If you want to have fruit, please go ahead and have, but avoid those juices. Focus on reducing carbohydrate food and increasing protein content. Practice fasting. And let me tell you that immediately what you can do is, for many of us, we can just increase your protein food and reduce the carbohydrate. Even there, you will see a lot of effect. In fact, even if you shift just one meal at night, if you just start taking, if vegetarians start taking paneer and non-veg, they start taking any of the non-veg food or eggs, you will see you will start losing 3, 4, 5 kgs immediately. And let me tell you, the normal healthy weight loss is around 3 kgs or so, depending upon the individual. Now don't, we should not be in a hurry. Okay, we want this to be a sustainable one. We don't want anything a short-term result. It has to be a very healthy one. Please follow a diet pattern which you can sustain for lifelong. So thank you very much, and I want to thank Protegnus first of all for giving me an opportunity to present on low carb ketogenic diet for obesity, and I thank D-Life-In for nominating me to speak on this. You can follow me at Shashikant Iyengar or Shashi Iyengar on Twitter. So I'm very active on Twitter, and I have around close to 4,000 followers, and I am also there as Shashikant Iyengar in Instagram. So all of you can actually follow. So